How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Black Metal Rebellion. I'm your host, Jesse Morgan, aka Slammerella, and today we're not doing anything too crazy. If you saw the title and the thumbnail, you already know what's up for this video. But I am going to be doing a little DIY fixer-upper recoloring of my Doc Martens that I have. Just kind of getting bored with the black, and I've seen a couple of punks in the past try it before, so I'm going to be spray painting my Doc Martens a blue. I am not sure at the moment if I'm going to be doing a light blue or a dark blue. The first color I picked up was a trim-clad royal blue, so that would be the dark blue color if I did go that color. Or I could do this, which is a more of a light blue. I'm not exactly sure. It's called Satin Lagoon, which kind of actually matches my nails, so that's kind of cool. But I don't know. I might do this one just to go for that extra blue pop look. And it's also got, as you can see here, primer and paint in it, and apparently bonds with plastic, so hopefully also leather, wood, metal, plastic, and more. So I guess we'll find out. So I think I'll go with this one. So the Satin Lagoon color. We'll see how that goes. So as for the boots themselves, I had to delace them because I definitely don't want to spray paint the laces. And I might pick up some new ones. I'll see when. I don't know when I'm going to get out to do it. I was already out today, and the DRT, the DRT, the Durham Regional Transit, was kind of annoying because I was on my way home and I had to wait quite a while for the first bus, and then the second bus was 15-20 minutes late, and it was getting colder and colder the longer I was waiting outside, and I only had one kind of thin hoodie on, so yeah, that was a pain in the ass. Anyways, so I don't want to do the soles, so I took some green painter's tape, you can see here, and I covered up the soles and the yellow stitching because that's kind of one of the main features of Doc Martens. I'm also going to tape that up because the bouncing soles little foot tag thing there that help you slip your boots on. And then I also kind of try to pry it open so it gives me more space with socks stuffed into a grocery bag there. So that's how I've prepped the boots. I'm going to do the other one now like this and put the green painter's tape around the soles and try not to kick myself in the face with it. And then I'll be putting a generous amount of paint on each boot, maybe 3 layers consecutively back to back. Of course, I'm not going to wait 24 hours and then spray another layer and then 24. No, I actually want to wear these in a day or two. So yeah, we'll see. Anyways, gonna go prep the other boot now, put the tape on it, and then I'll show you some of the spray painting process and then whatever it looks like after, I think. So yeah, let's go prep this boot now. All right, well, here's the boots here. Got a little spot on the floor with some old paper that I've previously spray painted on. Let's spray paint this and see how it goes. Oh, for God's sakes. Almost forgot to tape off the bouncing soles tags. Hell no, we're not doing that. Alright, here we go. Doing the front first, I guess. Shit. I know I'm gonna spray the fucking phone, I know it. well, that's it. That's the best I can do. They're going to be pretty glossy though. Should be pretty amusing to see how it lasts. I picked them up and give them a good spray all the way around in general. So hopefully that stays decent enough. Both of them got good coverage all the way around. So I guess we'll find out how well the spray paint stays on there when it dries. And I will let you know, I guess, how well that takes in a month or two or whatever. Alright, well that's it. That's all the footage I got of me spray painting my Doc Martens a light blue. Let me know if you guys, if you're in the punk community, if you've ever tried to do this and how well it turned out for you, or how well it didn't maybe turn out for you. I also want to plug someone off of Instagram called Unlimited Chaos 77. They've been hooking me up with some British cone studs lately for a nice price, so definitely hit them up if you're looking for some British cone studs or some patchwork or whatever. And Dan, if you're watching this, cheers. Thanks for watching, bud, and thanks for all the British cone studs. Alright, so it's the next day. They're mostly dry now. I decided I'm going to do a sole unveiling just to kind of show more of the process of how this is working out. As you can see, I can grab the tongue here of the boot without too much problem. It's slightly tacky at the very most, and looking over these in some better light, I could definitely see there could have been some better care with the spray painting. There's a little bit of run, but honestly you'd have to get really close to them to see. And they're this really nice sky blue for the boots. So yeah, I think I chose the right color. I don't think going the navy blue or the royal blue would have been all that great, to be perfectly honest, and it wouldn't have been bold enough. If I'm going to go a color and spray paint them something other than black, I think the light sky blue or turquoise blue in this lighting to me is better. Like I said, slightly tacky yet, probably needs another maybe 5 hours to fully dry, maybe 5 or 6, but it's only in some parts that's kind of super tacky. The rest of it's mostly dry. So yeah, I'm going to peel off the painter's tape on the soles and see how that looks, and then throw some laces in it, even though they're old laces that I should probably just get rid of. So let's start off with the right boot. I'll take off this. So there we go. Save the bouncing soles tag. And we'll take the socks out, I guess. Just didn't really want to paint the inside of the boot all that much. You can use whatever you want. You can use rolled up newspaper or like tissue paper or whatever. I chose socks and grocery bags because that's what I had around me. When you're punk, you gotta just use whatever you got around you for the most part. So, all right, so let's grab some of this stuff and start peeling it off. I'll probably fast forward it on your end so it's not as long. Well, that's one boot down. So there we go. There's the sole of this. Kind of makes it look better instead of all just one big blue blob. So there we go. There's one boot down. I'll take the stocks and shit out of this one. Did I say stocks? I meant socks. And once again, I don't know how well this spray painting method of spray painting your docks will do it. I just wanted to try something different and show you guys how it goes, so you can determine whether you want to do this to your old Doc Martens in the future or not. Alright, so we're going to take this off of the Bouncing Souls tag. Also, Bouncing Souls, excellent punk band if you don't know about them. Alright, let's start with this. Alright, and there's the other boot. Not too bad. The sole makes it, once again, look so much better. Instead of like a giant blue blob. Gives it some personality. And once again, the paint job could have been slightly more refined to prevent overspray and a little bit of running, but overall, I think these actually look pretty good. So there we go. I'm going to go throw some laces and I'll show you what that looks like, and I'll be right back. Alright, got one of the boots laced up. Looks pretty good. I normally just leave my laces like left untied or open like that, just so it's loose fitting and not too crazy. But yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Gonna go nice with the other black and blue themed outfit I got going on. Looks nice, looks pretty glossy and new looking. Let's do the other one. And there we go. There's the other one done. So now we got both soles revealed and both boots laced. I need to pick up some better laces, but yeah, that does not look too shabby. Let me know what you think in the comments section. Would this be something you'd consider doing to some old black Docs if you had them? Because once this dries really permanently or solidly or whatever, I think these are going to look excellent. Now, once they do dry though, I will have to see how well the spray paint holds up. But I think this is an excellent look for them. Really, really love the blue. So yeah, cheers. Alright guys, that's it. That's the actual outro for this video. Let me know what you think. Have I inspired you to do some DIY in the last few videos that I've done DIY videos? Also, shout out to Jaxby the Ripper for picking me up this All Hallows EP AFI shirt. Excellent old school AFI before they started doing this like weird melodic dark pop stuff they're doing now. But yeah, for glory, for the Rebel Alliance, Slammerella out.